morning, my dear students. Last class we have seen the structure of cell. Today we will learn little more detail about the structure of cell. So when we observe a cell under the compound microscope, we can see cell like this. Okay. Usually when we observe the cell under the compound microscope, I hope you all have seen it in our school. So compound microscope, you can see cell like small honeycomb like structure, like a boundary wall will be there and a nucleus will be there. So when we observe the cell under an electron microscope, little more magnified structure we can see. So today we will see the structure of cell in detail. Okay. So three main things are there. Three main features are there. First one is plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. Second is cytoplasm, and third one is nucleus. So three main features of a cell is plasma membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. Inside that, so many things and so many functions are there that we will see one by one. So let's start with plasma membrane. So when we see this diagram showing the animal cell, first one is the plasma membrane. It will form an outer covering which will separate the inner content from the outer environment. So if both cells are there, it is separated from one cell from the other by the plasma membrane. Okay, this is the first. It is like a boundary like structure which will separate inner content, inner things from outside, from external environment. So it will not, for the entry and exit, it will not allow everything to get inside and everything to go outside. So this is selectively permeable. So one of the main feature of the plasma membrane is that it is selectively permeable. It will not allow all things to get inside and all things to exit from this membrane. Okay, so this is the first is the plasma membrane. This is the outermost covering of a cell. Is it clear?